Ngayon, usapang roster na naman tayo mga kabakets. Ang ating topic, Miami Heat official lineup para sa 2026 to 2027 season. Matapos ang malaking trade na nakuha nila si Giannis Antetokounmpo kasama si Bobby Portis, itong new look Heat ay mukhang exciting next season. Tara i-breakdown nga natin from guards, then forwards, centers, tapos potential starting five ng team. Simulan na natin sa guards. Una si Davion Mitchell, isang defensive specialist at primary ball handler. Reliable playmaker rin at hustle player. Nag-average last season ng 9 points, 2 rebounds at 6 assists. Sumunod, Tim Hardaway Jr., isang veteran shooter nakuha sa free agency ng Heat. Ito yung 3-point threat na kailangan ng team. Nag-average last season ng 13 points, 2 rebounds at 1 assist. Sunod, Phil Larson, isang two-way wing guard, energy guy improving every year. Nag-average last season ng 11 points, 3 rebounds at 3 assist. Sumunod, Drew Smith, isa namang backup guard, defensive pest, hustle player. Nag-average last season ng 5 points, 2 rebounds at 2 assists. Sunod, Ryan Conwell, ang rookie ng team, second round draft pick ng 2026 draft. Isang athletic na guard na may potential. Sa kanyang college career, nag-average siya ng 18 points, 4 rebounds at 2 assists. At last, isa pang rookie, Trey Donaldson. Naging undrafted nga lang ito sa 2026 draft, pero at least kasama pa rin naman siya sa roster. Sa kanyang college career, nag-average siya ng 7 points, 2 rebounds at 3 assists. So ayan ang mga guards. Dumako naman tayo sa mga forwards. Unahin natin ang best player ng team. Yes, ang bagong best player ng team, Giannis Antetokounmpo, the Greek Freak. 2-time MVP. Nag-average last season ng 27 points, 10 rebounds at 5 assists. Sumunod, Andrew Wiggins, isang versatile wing, two-way player at floor spacer rin. Nag-average last season ng 15 points, 5 rebounds at 2 assists. Sumunod, Bobby Portis. Nakuha kasama si Giannis, isang solid na role player. Isa itong stretch big. Nag-average last season ng 13 points, 6 rebounds at 1 assist per game. Sumunod, Nikola Jovic, isang young stretch forward. May potential itong bata na ito. Nag-average last season ng 7 points, 3 rebounds at 2 assists. Sumunod, Simon Fontecchio, ang Italianong veterano. Isang 3-and-D wing, solid na shooter. Nag-average last season ng 8 points, 3 rebounds at 1 assist. Sumunod, Myron Gardner, isang energy forward. Nag-average last season ng 3 points, 2 rebounds at 1 assist. So ayan ang mga guards at forwards. Dumako naman tayo sa centers. Unahin natin ang best center ng team, Bam Adebayo. Isang elite defender. Matagal na siyang best player ng team. Pero ngayon magsasacrifice daw siya bilang second option para manalo ng title. Nag-average last season ng 20 points, 10 rebounds at 3 assists. At last, Vladislav Goldin. Isang 7-footer developmental big ng Heat. Nag-average last season ng 4 points, 1 rebound at 1 assist. Ito naman ang potential starting five ng Heat. Point guard, Davion Mitchell. Shooting guard, Tim Hardaway Jr. Small forward, Andrew Wiggins. Power forward, Giannis Antetokounmpo. At center, Bam Adebayo. Itong team na to ay maraming two-way athletic players. Versatile ang kanilang lineup. Exciting times para sa mga Heat fans. For more NBA content, ilike nyo na ang ating video at mag-subscribe na rin sa JB Buckets.